Look at you. You're supposed to be a white cat. Where have you been? You look terrible. Go. This is my starter. It was a bit lethargic lately, so I have been feeding it every day. So this morning I'm making crumpets with lard. One more time before I put it back in the fridge. And this flour is a combination of rye, white and whole grain. Let the morning bring me word of your unfailing love, for I have put my trust in you. Show me the way I should go, for to you I entrust my life. Psalm 143 verse 8.